Hi guys, so many inconsistencies in my videos, but anyway, life, parenting, and everything else in between. So today was a co-parenting day, and we decided to spend the day in Karen in a place called Adventure Farm KE. So in the process, I thought it would be really nice to shoot a short video without so much talking, just motion and movement and what the girls were up to. They got to learn so much about animals and plants, and they played some, spent time with daddy, and that was really nice. And then they came out, they had lunch, and now they're still having some more fun. I do not know how often I will post my content, but we can go with as often as I can post them until I get some sort of consistency and a good plan, instead of popping in and popping out and promising to stay consistent and then I don't. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information and the details of Adventure Farm KE in the description box below. Remember to share, subscribe, and like. Yeah, thank you, and enjoy watching the videos.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my
You can have a green one and a red one, and then you go try.
Don't touch it, Koyan.
We love these things for me.
Yeah.
Really, anytime.
Let me
Bite.
give each of you.
Where?
Yeah. This is now where watermelon comes from.
You know what a watermelon is?
This plant here. Okay? It's like
Yeah. Oh wow, after you cook it,
No. Hivyo tu.
you just eat it.
Yeah.
Do you wanna eat the flower?
Some restaurants, they normally give you some decoration of some flowers.
Yeah, I've seen that.
This is the flower that they use, and it's supposed to be eaten. Some people normally just.
Oh yeah, we normally remove.
Yeah. Supposed to be eaten.
Is it sweet?
Not really sweet. It's flat.
But it's edible.
It's edible.
Koyan wants to eat it.
Yeah. But that's a cooler flower. Cooler flowers.
I know, atakula flowers me too. Seji will eat flowers me too.
Risky. Anaweza jipata tu unaanza
It doesn't have a taste.
Yeah, it doesn't have a. But walk on the track, yeah.
Okay. Zinakaa nyasi. Yeah, mint. This is the chocolate mint. Sindo?
Yeah. The spice normally used even in tea.
Yeah. That's what Seji? Mint.
With it for a while, not everything the leaders come out. Then like put the direct boil back the water with it, and then now put the green one the green here come out.
boil water.
Boil water first, put the milk. No. Put the water
Do you like it?
into the milk. I mean put the milk
Taste
into the
it.
water, boil. Put the milk into the cold water.
That one is better.
Boil.
For about 10 minutes, and then I'll put the milk inside. Then some majani and cucumber.
What is this?
What's that?
What is it?
You don't know.
An orange tree.
No. Popo. Oh, it looks like an avocado tree.
So
Oh,
we normally say banana too as well. Yeah.
do you have plantain?
So we don't have the plantain like
Okay. Where are you? Oh, Seiji, it's wet. Is it wet? Seiji. Get out now. Wait. Sheyce, what are you doing?
and pull it back.
Sheyce, how was the zip line? It was nice. You want to do it again? Okay. Sheyce, will you be able to go up? Sheyce is climbing, Seji. Let Sheyce climb first. Wait. Let's see whether Sheyce can climb. Move from Sheyce so that she doesn't fall on you. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me see if this one will manage to get up. Good job. Hold the window, I think. Uh-huh. Oh, nice. Oh, hi, Sheyce. Wave. Hi. Okay, good job. Uh-huh. It's a house. Oh, said you can't climb. I help you.